Hey guys, what is up? And thanks for stopping by my channel, SimplyCrystalMichelle. I know it's been a while. There's so much going on right now, family wise, and then also my sister's actually getting married this weekend. That is why I'm rocking this hairstyle, and I wanted to share with you guys the two products that I use by this really great company that is actually black owned, and the product line is called Amalise, and this is what it looks like. I hope I am pronouncing it right. It's a beautiful, simple packaging, and I like about these products is that they get straight to the point. And I pretty much use these products to set my hair before installing these crochet locks on my head. Because when you do protective styles like this, you want to make sure that your hair is nice and moisturized and sealed and locked in. And that is what these two products did for me. I've been using them now for about like a week and a half, 2 weeks, because I really wanted to give you guys my honest experience with them. And first off, I'm going to start off with the Moroccan Mist Revitalizing Hair Moisturizer. And if I'm honest, a lot of times I get sent like mist or spritzers or moisturizers in spray form that don't do a lot for my hair. I feel like I spray and it just dissipated into the universe, or it's just sitting on my hair. But this one here, the Moroccan Mist Revitalizing Hair Moisturizer with organic argan oil and organic jojoba oil, and it's sulfate free, paraben free, and silicone free. I actually really enjoyed this product. When I sprayed it on my hair, I instantly felt that my hair was moisturized and nice and soft. I also used it on my boyfriend's hair, who has like a little bit of a different texture than mine, and his became nice and soft. You know what guys like, sometimes they'll put like a bar of soap on their head, so this really made like his hair nice and soft. The ingredients in this, what I love about this line is I know every single ingredient in this product, and it's not a long list. It's deionized. It's water. It's organic rose water, which I'm obsessed with rose right now. Everything rose, like that candle back there right now is rose quartz. Like I'm obsessed with everything rose. I love rose. Organic aloe gel, organic argan oil, organic golden jojoba oil, and that's it. And it really worked. I just gave it a shake. You can use it on light hair or dry hair. I spritzed it on my hair and it felt moisturized. And it felt moisturized even afterwards once it penetrated through my hair strands. And I love this for like a refresher for my curls. I'm going to love this product right now for spritzing on my scalp just to like, ooh, just feels good. It's nice and refreshing. And also I have a bad habit that when I am wearing a protective style, I really fail when it comes to keeping up with moisturizing my hair, and that's something I want to work on. And what I like about this is that it's light, it's refreshing. By the way, it smells amazing. I don't know what is in this that is making it smell so good, but it smells amazing on my hair. And I just like to go in between the braids and spray directly on my scalp. Ooh, it feels so nice and refreshing, and I like it's light, so I know it's not gonna build up. It's just a really nice spritzer. This is something I could definitely see going in my bag when I go to Greece at the end of June, because I know I could use this instantly spray like my protective style and keep it pushing. And also, I'm sad to say I'm already halfway through it. Like I can see it right here. That's how much I've been trying out this product every day, because I really enjoy it, and I just love the refreshing smell of it, and just also the fact that my scalp and my hair instantly feels moisturized. And it's 8 fluid ounces, so I will leave the price point right here so you guys have an idea of how much it costs. But this product I 100% definitely hands down recommend for a spritzer, because I can't remember the last one that I really tried that I actually felt did something for my hair. The next product that I received from Amalise is their Shea Soufflé Nourishing Hair Cream. It's an organic shea butter and jojoba oil that's in it. And of course, what I love about this again is it has it has unrefined organic shea butter, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and other natural ingredients. It says here to apply a small portion to damp or dry hair before styling. Now, me personally, I prefer sometimes like a lighter butter, like avocado butter, just because I have really fine hair, and so sometimes shea butter weighs me down. So it's not usually something I reach for, let's just say for like a regular like braid out or twist out. However, when it comes to doing heavy duty protective styles that I know I'm gonna keep in for a while, or like if I'm braiding my hair down to go underneath a wig or something like that, I don't mind reaching for a butter like this. And also it's not hard, it's whipped, so it pretty much smells like shea butter. But I like the scent of shea butter. Kind of smells like shea butter with a little bit of like whatever is mixed into this. Maybe my nose is playing tricks to me, I don't know. It's super, super whipped, so it's really nice and creamy, a little airy. You can go ahead and just see the shine and how it instantly just melts into the skin. So it's definitely something that's nice to use. Also, I'm assuming on your body as well. I wouldn't see why not, since it's all natural ingredients that are in it. And pretty much I just use this product because, as you guys can see, I did individual sections with the rubber band method. And I just used the spritz. I layered on some shea butter, really worked it in to seal in my hair. My hair was nice and shiny and moisturized. The only thing that I will say, and I'm not quite sure what it is, when I did use these two products together, it worked with some of my gel and hair products, and then it didn't work well with other ones. So I really would love to try if they do have something on their site like a gel or a curling cream that's supposed to work with these products. Like for instance, I tried out the other day the wet style and I slicked my hair back, so I used this to spray. I used this to really like weigh down my curls and lock in the moisture, and then I tried a gel and it worked. But then when I tried it again with a different gel, for some reason those products didn't mix well and my hair started to curdle, if that makes sense. So I just do know, and it could just be that one product, but I do know that's the only con I would say, is that I usually like products that play well with other things I have because I want to get the most out of them. But to be fair, that happens a lot with a lot of different product lines because they're formulated to work together, and in that case, A+, they definitely do. If I had to pick which products I would be repurchasing, because I'm not a huge like big shea butter person, 100% I will be repurchasing this, because like I said before, it's been a while since I found a spritzer that actually really works in my hair, and I could definitely stand behind and be like, this was really nice, and it smells divine. And like I said, the shea butter is really dope. If you're someone that's really into it and you have a thicker hair texture than mine, I think you'll definitely enjoy this. I'll continue to definitely use this on my body because I just love how soft my skin feels right now. And also I'll definitely use it for sealing my hair because, as you guys know, I'm always doing a protective style in my hair because I can't be bothered. So guys, if you made it to the end of this video, I am hosting a giveaway. I'll put all the information down below in the description box, so don't miss out on that. Otherwise, whoever else didn't make it to the end is not gonna know that we're having a giveaway. So as always, happy healthy hair journey. Thanks for stopping by. Let me know down below in the comment section what you guys think about these products. Would you give it a try? And also, what are your favorite products you like to use when you're installing a protective style? But I'm telling you, this right here, magic. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.